Okay, everyone, I'm making a video. Merry Christmas. Hello, Miss Santa.
Merry Christmas. Merry
Hello,
Christmas.
Anne. Merry Christmas. Look at those two monkeys.
Oh, okay. The head just fell off.
Justin, did Santa come? Oh, you've got funny arms. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear. A very funny human being. So, tell me, did Santa eat his... Justin? Justin?
What?
Did Santa eat his cookies and milk?
Some of it.
Where?
I know.
Oh, cool. What about where's the ash? Bradley, show me where the ash is.
I stepped in it.
Don't step in the ash.
It's
you'll
over
make a
there.
big mess. Oh, right. And show me all the presents.
I have presents in my stocking.
And?
And over there, and there, and there.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
How many? It looked like there's like enough presents there for an army.
2 armies.
How's your head? Let me see you.
I know which one this is.
Let me see your band-aid.
I know which one this is. I have to take it off today. What? I know which one this is. Who? What? A game. Yeah, probably. Because is it from Santa? Nope. Mom? Yeah. And Dad?
Hey, tell Nanny Nona that you happy Merry Christmas and
Yeah,
Grandpa.
Danny, no, Merry Christmas.
And what about Grandpa?
Yo, Grandpa, Merry Christmas.
Bradley, what are you going to say? Did your brains come out yesterday?
Yeah.
Eh?
He squeezed it. He
Squeezed
dropped the
it.
gumball machine on his head.
Oh, what a silly boy. And
By accident!
what do you say to Nanny Nona and Grandpa?
Hello.
Merry Christmas?
Goodbye.
No, come on, be nice.
Merry Christmas.
Give
Goodbye.
peace sign. Give peace sign. Good boy. Hey, they love you very much.
I bet you can do these.
Brad, do that what your brother just did.
I
Do
didn't
that.
see what he did.
Okay, the weird thing with his arms.
I don't know what he did.
Oh, okay. Baxter, what do you think? What do you think, eh? You're not that interested.
He's
Okay.
happy. Yeah.
Alright. Okay, Mom and Dad. We are about to open presents and have coffee. Love you very much. Bye.